Fabe, welcome to Maimoments, and today I'm excited to try another products from AliExpress, and you know it could be like really good products and a really bad one, and you over here wasting your money. So I really want to try this products here. If you have not checked out my video about onion mask, I recommend you to go in my channel and check it out, or I will post it somewhere around here so you can see it. It did not give me any instructions on how to do it, so it's kind of like I'm testing the products at the same time while I'm teaching you guys, so bear with me. And they have like two colors, and it's pink and blue, which is really cute, but it does not matter. Still the same thing, is going to be curling my hair. Let's get started. I'm going to divide my hair into two sections. I'm using a brush just to secure it and then work on my other side. So next part, we are going to loop this thing over, and I think it's pretty fun. There's no head or tail. Both end is pretty much the same, and then you're just going to loop this through. So I'm going to take a section like this, and I'm going to loop my hair over, and then I'm just going to pull it sideways, and look at this. Perfect. But I can see that this is not really for long hair, so if you have a way longer length past to your waist, then I'm pretty sure this product does not work. And I don't like whenever my ends is straight like this if I try to curl my hair, so that's part I don't really enjoy. But I just wanted to test this product out in general to see if you have short hair, would this be great products for you. So I'm gonna keep continuing on. Let's see, I can able to target toward the end. The annoying part is that this looping part over is pretty fun at first. I'm telling you, it's pretty fun, but it's getting annoying pretty quick. So I'm going to, the logic behind it, I think is really fun. So here, okay. So if I start my hair probably this, as you can see, I went closer to the root, and this one I kind of like leave it out like this length, so it's able to target toward the end. Now it's time for me to work on a new section, so I'm going to form my hair into a bun once again, and then putting a brush over it. So I'm going to like take a larger section, but first, before you are divide your hair, is a great idea if you do this part first. So loop it over, divide the sections. So here we go, and loop it over. And I have seen that it's best to actually put it sideways. I'm not getting it. I'm telling you, this is pretty much a lot of work. It's really fun if you have a girl night over or a sleeping party with your girl, and this is a really great idea to do. But other than that, if you are doing yourself, I don't think this is really that fun. By looking at the advertisement, I mean, I have seen that it looks super fun, but actually doing yourself, I don't know about that. Okay, so that does not work. Okay, this can turn out really wrong, like this. How annoying. Ow. Ow. This turned out to be so wrong. Oh my gosh. Get it off. No. From my experience right now, it's not a good idea to have super long hair and doing this at the same time. I'm trying to find a best method to actually get my hair to loop over. Maybe I'm grabbing too much, and then I'm going to slide this on top, and I'm going to pull my hair under. I just want to share the reality, what you see on TV and what you see in an actual person. When products just not work like this, it's kind of like ruin your expectations because in reality, this is what happening. There's a different side, you guys. There's a different side, and I bought the longest one because I thought that my hair is long, so it's going to be a good length. What is going on with this piece? What the heck? You look like a eel. I don't know about you, but I'm literally getting frustrated with this thing. Maybe I did it wrong. Comment below if you have tried this and it worked perfectly. Downward. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Pray for me. Even if it turned out ugly, I just hope for it to work. Because I spent literally like $4 and probably 50 cents. $4.50, and I have waited for like more than 30 days for this to arrive. So I just hope for this to actually work. Uh-oh, I don't think I have enough of this little guy. I don't know how much I bought. It came in a package of how many. I have to count it and tell you about it, but I don't think there's enough. I should have bought 2 packages. But looking at the picture, it was like it's pretty good enough amount. I mean, like, if you have short hair, this is going to be super cute. But since I have longer hair, look at this. My hair is just sticking out, my ends. I don't like that because whenever I curl my hair, I make sure that the end is targeted. So for this, it's kind of like not really amaze me because you can see that my end just sticking out and it's not looking really pretty. But for now, we are moving on to our right side, and I'm going to do the same thing, and I only have this much to do on my right, so I'm going to have trouble. So I'm just going to try my best to stick as much hair in there as much as possible. So let's see if I can divide this section, big section right here, in half. Oh, this is going to be turning out really wrong, but I don't have any other choice right now. So we're going to use a different method. We're going to loop under like this, I think. Yes, under like this. Work with me here, work with me, work with me. And then I'm going to stick this up here and loop it and pull this over. I'm over here trying to find an alternative to not using heat to my hair so it can definitely grow faster. And the reason for me to grow my hair is to donate my hair to someone that is over here needed, and that's what I've been doing. I'm just gonna think as if I was wearing spandex or a very tight jeans to fit this amount of hair in there. I am freaking irritated. No. And what up with you? Whatever. Next. I'm tired of fixing. If you over here not wanting to damage your hair, break your hair, split your hair, whatever, or having like falling out hair, I do not recommend this products right here. Ow. Got it. Yay. First try. And let me see. There we go. Yay. Okay. So I think I target everything. And I'm going to set this for, I would say, an hour. I will wear this an hour. So if you were sleeping with this, I'm pretty sure you can sleep with it because it's a little bit hard and tough, but I'm pretty sure it's bendable. You know, that's the most important thing, that you are not over here sleeping something that is going to poke you or stabbing you. So this one is kind of like easy for you to sleep if you want to do at nighttime. And then if you don't want to use any heat for your curl, then I'm pretty sure this will be your greatest method. But like, I'm scared that whenever I pull my hair out, it's going to like break my hair, or it's going to damage pulling my hair to my root, and I don't want to lose a lot of hair. You know, that's not our goal. So I really want to put this on, you know, for 1 hour and check back with you of how, if this products work or not, and is it, you know, worth your time of buying, and also waiting for delivery and the cost of it. I mean, it's only $4 and something. It's not going to break the bank, but you just want to invest in something that is not later on you want to put it in the trash. Now it's time to review the grand finale. So it's been way over an hour and I really want to take this out. It's getting pretty annoying, and what would be the best method to take this out? I don't even know. Maybe pull this down. Okay. And then pull this in. Okay. So as you can see, it's kind of working and it's like waving, so it's pretty cool. I like it. It's not really tight curls. And then so we pull this part down first, and then we're going to hold our hair, as you can see, and then pull this thing down so it will not pull down our real hair. So I'm just going to do, so for my people that have short hair, like at the length, I'm pretty sure is right here, then you will have a perfect, you know, experience with this. But for my hair, it's just way too long, so I would not like this product as much as if my hair was shorter. And I do agree that it's pretty cool, but for me, I would not think I would use it again until my hair is short, like this length. Because for right now, it's too long, and I would think it's pretty good if you do not want to like put some heat on whenever you curl your hair. So this is actually a really good idea, and from what I see, that is work. But even if you are using no heat, make sure to put on hairspray so it will hold the curls and it will pretty much last longer. Top side, I'm going to drag it down, and then I'm going to hold this right here and pull from the bottom like that. So it does create a pretty curl, and I cannot figure out what directions that I want my hair to face because it was pretty difficult just to put it on. I would say that this product does work, and is it going to be worth the money of $4.50? I think so, but if it's going to be like $10, then no. No, I would not buy it if it's $10. How? So do I recommend this product? I would say yes to a certain extent. Yes, for $4.70 something is definitely not going to break your bank. But to acknowledge that it does pull out like my real hair, and then I don't want to lose a lot of hair first of all. So I would say I would not use this often if I own one. And if you're going to do it, it's going to be fun for a girl night or pajama parties or something that is sleeping over. Definitely this would be a really fun product to use. I do recommend for the aspect, but for daily, I would not recommend this because it pulls out your real hair, and we are not trying to lose our hair using this. And for no heat products, I think this does work really well. And if you are over here put it overnight, I think that it will get a tighter curl, but I don't think that it's going to be like extremely tight, and that's what I'm interested in. And if you are into a beachy wave curl, then I definitely recommend this. So it depends on what your aspect is, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Experience with me whether this product is productive or not. Thank you for watching, and until next time, make sure to love yourself, stay motivated. Peace out.